Hi, love-ons. Remember how much we are loved on, and then we can go out and love on others. This one is called Slow-Mo with the Lord. Slow-Mo. We have got to just slow down and watch for Him and talk to Him at every single turn. What should we eat? What should I wear? How should I do this? Oh, Father, what is this? How do I handle it? Just slow-mo. He never leaves us. He never forsakes us. If we're walking around forgetting that He's right here, we wouldn't do that to a physical human, friend, companion, but we do it with the Lord. Like, how ridiculous is that we do that? We just forget. We just run on ahead and go about our business. Slow down. It's like martial arts. We just slow down and then put Him between those people that we're speaking to. Put Him into the job that we have to accomplish. Put Him into the grandkids or the spouse. Put Him into our lives. Talk to Him. You may look a little batty, you may look a little crazy, but my goodness, would we ignore someone who's right with us in the room but never speak to Him? Never ask Him advice? He's that everything. He's that counselor. He's the friend. He can figure it all out. Bring Him to that level of personal interaction, personal relationship, and feel Him there. And get used to it's practicing. No one ever tells us to just how to do this. So slow-mo with Him. He's our breath. When we exhale, He's inhaling. He's our heartbeat. He's everything. He's right there around us, over us, under us, through us. He's already seen this day. He's got it all figured out. Slow down and move with Him and watch for Him and get out of this world and just hang out with the most amazing friend and Father, counselor, medic, healer. Man, the words just go on and on about our awesome God. May this bless you. May it change your life. You're not alone. As soon as your eyes open, boom, He's there. He's there while you're sleeping. He's there at every move. Look for Him. Find Him. Find. Seek. It'll change your life. May this bless you. God bless. I love you.